study for years, we pass exams, we scroll reels, we listen to podcasts, but still most people don't really understand how the world around them works. And that's dangerous because when you don't understand the system, you don't control your life, the system controls you. Today, I want to talk about 5 basic things that everyone should know. A student, a working adult, or even someone who thinks all these things are not for me. Trust me, it is. Point number 1, politics. What it really is. Most people say, I hate politics, I don't want drama. But politics is not drama. Politics simply means decision making. Politics is not about loving a leader, it's about understanding power. If you don't understand politics, you don't understand why some people always benefit and some people always suffer. You don't need to debate on Instagram, but you do need to know how government works, what democracy actually means, why policies matter more than speeches, because power never stays empty. Either you understand it or someone uses it against you. Point number 2, your rights. Know them or lose them. Here's a truth people don't like to hear. Rights don't protect people. Awareness does. Most people have rights on paper, but no courage or knowledge to use them. Freedom of speech, right to equality, right against exploitation. These are not exam answers. These are life tools. If someone treats you unfairly and you don't know your rights, you stay silent. And silence doesn't mean peace. Silence means permission. Knowing your rights doesn't make you aggressive. It makes you secure. Because a calm, informed person is very hard to control. Point number 3, GST, the tax you pay daily. Let me simplify this. Every time you buy something, chai, clothes, phone, food, you pay GST. GST means goods and services tax. Earlier, India had many different taxes. Confusing, messy, unequal. GST brought everything under one system. Simple idea. You buy something, you pay tax. Government uses that money to run the country. Roads, schools, hospitals, salaries. You don't need to calculate GST daily, but you should understand this. If you don't know how money moves in a country, you will never understand why prices increase or why middle class feels pressure. Point number 4, money. Because life is not a movie. Let's drop the fantasy. Money problems don't disappear by motivation. You need basic money sense. How income works, why saving matters, how loans trap people, what inflation does. Inflation simply means same money, less value. Money doesn't care if you are emotional, talented, or hardworking. It responds only to discipline and planning. If you don't control money early, money controls you later. Point number 5, voting, your real power. Voting is not a formality, it's the only time power listens to you. But voting blindly is worse than not voting. Don't ask kaun famous hai. Ask what promises were made, what work was actually done, what failures are being hidden. A smart voter looks at results, not reels. Democracy survives only when citizens think, not when they clap. These 5 things won't make you popular, they won't trend easily, but they will make you aware, and awareness is power. Education is not just degrees, it's clarity. If you understand these basics, you don't just exist in society, you navigate it. And that's the difference between living blindly and living consciously.